In this question, we have to find the integration of x to the power 4 plus 2 and x square plus 2. So what we will do, we will write x to the power 4 plus 2 as x to the power 4 minus of 4 plus of 6. So you will write the integration as x to the power 4 minus of 4 plus of 6, and in denominator you will write x square plus of 2 dx. So you will write x to the power 4 minus of 4 upon x square plus 2 into dx plus integration of 6 by x square plus 2 dx. So x to the power 4 minus of 4, that is can be written as x square minus of 2 and x square plus of 2, and here you will write x square plus of 2 integration dx plus integration of 6 by x square plus 2 into dx. X square plus 2 and x square plus 2 will get cancelled. You will get the value as x cubed by 3 minus of 2x plus 6, and you are having the integration of x square plus 2. I can write as 1 by a, that is equal to 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by root. So this is the answer that you will get with the help of C. So the correct answer that you will get, that is equal to x cubed by 3 minus of 2x plus 6 by root 2 plus tan into tan inverse x by root 2 plus of C.